This is the CHITA Powered Leather Swivel Recliner. I purchased this chair off of Amazon, and I'll put links in the description of how you can get one of these chairs for yourself. I wanted a chair that was comfortable and versatile, and I think it delivered. So let me tell you in this video about the delivery, the unboxing and assembly, and other details about whether or not this chair is good for you. This is how it was delivered. It comes in a huge box and it is very heavy. So I enlisted the help of my trusty moving quilt to push this big box into the garage. Once I got it in there, I carefully took my box cutter and cut through the tape that was holding the box closed. And let me tell you, they packed this thing very well. Now, as it was too large to get through the door, I decided to take the different items into the house individually. So I removed one piece. It comes in two pieces. The first was the top, and the second more bulky piece is the base. And here it is in my living room. Now, let me also say that the packaging is very, very good. And let me also say that this leather is so soft and supple, and the padding is really wonderful. But every single surface of this chair was covered in some sort of foam or cardboard or whatever to protect it, and it did an excellent job. It was rather tedious getting everything off of the chair, but once it was done, I was like, wow, this was worth it. Now, as far as the assembly is concerned, all you have to do is plug in the cord from the back of the chair to the bottom of the chair, and it only goes in one way, then it locks into place. Then this is where I could have had some help, but I was doing this all by myself. So lining up the posts for securing the back of the chair to the bottom was a little bit tricky, and plus that big flap kept getting in the way too, but I managed to do it and it was totally fine. Now at the bottom of the base, there's a Velcro strip that flap covers up. And then after you do that, all you have to do is plug it in and you are ready to go. Now this chair has, like I said, it's a power chair. It has lots of features. Besides just having this reclining feature, it also has the feature where you can adjust the headrest to a different angle if you're watching TV or trying to read a book or something like that. It provides that ability. It also comes with these USB ports on there, so you can charge your phone or other portable device if you need. And here's a closer look at the controls. They do light up. It's really totally cool. Additionally, the quality of the stitching on this leather chair is really superb. I feel like it will last for a very long time. I also like the fact that it has this espresso accent on the arms that kind of sets it apart from any other just basic recliner. And the controls are super easy to use, so there's no issues maneuvering through the functions of this chair. I love how it fits into the rest of my decor. It doesn't look like a big, fluffy, bulky recliner. I should also note that this chair does come in other colors as well, so go to the website, check it out for yourself. Now, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other DIY projects on my DIY playlist.